If you need to contact Hostinger customer care, this video will show you the fastest way to reach support inside your account. Whether you have a billing question, a website issue, or you just need help getting started, Hostinger makes it pretty simple to start a support chat from hPanel. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, open Hostinger and log into your account. You'll want to sign in with the same account that owns the service or website you need help with, because support options are available inside your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should land in hPanel, which is Hostinger's main control center. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and find the button that says Ask. This is the support entry point, and it's the quickest way to contact Hostinger customer care without searching through menus. Go ahead and click Ask. After you click it, a support chat window will open. Hostinger usually starts with an AI assistant first, which is designed to help answer common questions quickly. You can type your issue into the chat and see if the automated assistant can solve it right away. This is useful for simple questions like login help, domain issues, email setup, or basic account guidance. If the AI assistant cannot fully resolve your problem, you may be able to continue the conversation and get connected to a human support agent. That's where the real customer care help comes in, especially if your issue is more specific or requires account-level troubleshooting. So don't worry if the first response is automated. A support agent can join if needed. When you message support, try to be clear and specific. Include the website name, the exact issue you're facing, and any error message you see. The more detail you provide, the faster they can help you. For example, instead of saying something is broken, explain whether it's a billing problem, a domain problem, or a hosting issue. If you're not seeing the Ask button, make sure you're logged into the correct Hostinger account and that hPanel has fully loaded. Sometimes refreshing the page or signing in again can help. You can also use the search feature inside Hostinger's help area if you want to find an article before starting chat support. Once your issue is answered, keep a record of the steps support gave you in case you need to repeat them later. And if the problem gets fixed, you're all set. You've officially contacted Hostinger customer care through the fastest available route. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.